Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today finally we're gonna have some motorcycle related content. Today we got International Motorcycle show here in Chicago area. So we'll see what's good over here. Today we got family friendly event with our little one. It's got a beer. How's it going? They're American bikes, European?
They're American bikes. We built them right here, a couple hours east of here in Indiana.
Oh, cool, cool.
Yep.
What's the deal with the name?
Janus, the Roman god of the two-headed god of time.
Oh, gotcha.
Looking into the past, looking into the future.
Gotcha. Oh, this one's real nice. Just took out the Sportster. Yeah, the new Sportster is pretty cool. Got digital gauge, and this is kind of cool. I don't know if anybody noticed that before. Capless tank. Got extended swing arm. It sticks out quite a bit. I love it. A fender. I like it. Alright, let's see what else here from Harley. What's new? Check it out, the Pan America. Yeah, it's just pretty low.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, it's pretty decent. The position is super low.
And then there's the adjustment right there. So two notches.
Oh, gotcha.
Just bring it into the other one. That's all it takes. So
that's
yeah,
nice.
very easy. It's a game changer.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot, man.
Absolutely.
Feels pretty good, right?
Yeah, not too bad actually.
Good, but less than 600 pounds, so that's pretty light. I think my bagger is like, shit,
Oh yeah.
800?
Yeah.
All right, so let's check it out, Pan America, one more time. I'm gonna give a camera to my camera guy. Looks professional. That is nice. Real nice bike. Anything new from Triumph? Tiger 900. This one's pretty sweet. Scrambler. Well, this one looks like it's sitting a little bit higher. Got long travel springs. So I guess it's James Bond edition. Badass.
How many beers did he have before he did it?
Exactly, you know?
So what do you guys do with the ramp whenever it's loaded?
Once it's loaded, the ramp unlatches.
Uh-huh.
So take those two clamps,
Just slide on the back.
slide in the back. There's a light bar kit that hops into the back. If we go, there's another truck fully loaded. If you want to go back there, I can show you. So that's fully loaded. The rear track unlatches right there. You pop that in. There's a stabilizer link that goes underneath. That's just pins. You take that out, and you're fully loaded. So what's that?
You gotta slow the bike. The bike.
It's gonna be Psycho. Dude, that's gonna be perfect for our road trip.
I know. This is perfect.
Dude, we're gonna save so much money on the fuel.
Natural.
Yep, I can do some serious off-road. Dude, I can sit here, drink beer. Fuck. What's the price for this one? 22?
22 for this one, yeah. This is the most expensive one.
Oh well,
Thanks.
you know, I chose the.
Of course, you got good taste.
I chose the best.
It's natural.
Dude, we will save so much money on fuel,
Yeah, instead of taking 2 bikes, just take 1 bike.
right?
Yeah, one can even take a nap while you're driving.
I can just sit here, drink beer.
Beer and then we switch. Well,
There's so much room for a beer over here.
You got plenty of leg room too.
But there's an
No, it's not
actual-
bad.
Your
How's the turning on there?
turn's awesome, especially to the left.
Does
Goes
it
up?
go the
If you
lift
turn
it?
right, it goes up if you don't have any weight in here.
Yeah,
Somebody's
it
in
actually
there. It'll lift, yeah.
Oh wow. Good.
That's pretty big.
We can put a tent in there.
No, not 10 beers.
Yeah, it,
Put some ice in
it
it?
has drain holes.
Oh, it
You
has
put
drain holes?
ice
That's
and you put
perfect.
beer in there.
Sold.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. Mishak, you got an extra tank for hard liquor?
Yes.
Oh, this is nice.
Zobacz jak fajnie.
Also, it's two-wheel drive, right?
Two-wheel drive.
Mishak,
No.
it's two-wheel drive. You got X over here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Oh, to są ruskie, chłopie. They're from
To jest
Russia.
ruska?
No?
Into the pump, you go underwater for about 30 seconds.
I like it.
Straight from Russia.
$22,000. Let's see the sticker.
22,149.
Dzięki.
22 G, so that's top of the line.
No, ja.
Extra storage?
Kurwa.
That's for a cell phone. Wireless charger.
Na portfel.
Wireless charger.
To jest kop.
Jak? Szedł na kurde. Chodź Wiki, to dyska. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool, actually. That'd be good off-roader.
Fucking awesome. Like 4G's there.
It's not a Harley anymore. It's a Livewire brand. And I think that's a base version of Pan America. Idzie to, panie? Alright guys, so it's gonna be pretty much it for this year's motorcycle show. So I'll see you in the next video. See ya.